Guys, all right, we are starting this awesome project inspired by Tracey Moffatt and related to portraiture and the work that we have done to practice our skills. We're going to put these things together and create a two drawing project. So let's read what this is all about. Tracey Moffatt inspired our project. Create a series of two drawings in a realistic style to reflect your own life today, addressing the brief, bitter moments that do not define who we are, and you are not alone in experiencing them. It is important to consider how words affect people and how we process negative messages as you strive to find an understanding of yourself and find others that accept and understand you for who you are. Also, in a world filled with much suffering, hardships, and negativity today, think about how you can bring kindness, light, and love into our world. All right, so that's just kind of a little precursor, a little inspiring paragraph for our project here. So, what you're going to create is two drawings. So, in more detail, two drawings, one of a portrait and another of a facial feature zoomed in. The drawings may be like you, or your features, or of someone else. The portrait should follow the rules of proportion, including around, on, behind each portrait drawing must be a ribbon banner. We're going to practice making ribbon banners below. On that banner, you must write a message that brings awareness to negative actions and words, or a message that shows kindness, care, compassion towards others. Each drawing doesn't need to be huge. It could be in your sketchbook, but it does need to be of quality. There should be shading. You can add color. You could do this in pen afterwards. When you start in pencil, you could go over it in pen and add cross-hatching and shading. So here are two examples. Here's a portrait I did of myself briefly, and I added the banner where it says, "When the world is dark, I will be a light." Okay, and in my portrait my drawing of a feature, I did an eye zoomed in, and I added the banner with a positive message, "Find the silver lining." So you have to make two drawings, one portrait with shading in proper proportions. Could be a portrait of you, could be a portrait of anyone else, a famous person, celebrity, etc. And then your second drawing is going to be a zoomed in feature, eye, nose, mouth, ear, with a banner with another positive saying to inspire others. Below, the next video is going to tell you how you're going to practice making banners so you know how to do that. So tune in the next video below.